Hi, I'm Pawel and I make games. Today we will learn how to deal with those missing sprites in the equipment bar we've created in previous videos. Then we will make a equipment bar visible only in scenes with a actual gameplay. Those are not real Unity scenes because I wanted to make this tutorial a little bit easier for everyone, but if you want to know more about Unity scenes, you may write down a comment below this video and I will know that you do. Alright, I think it's enough of talking, now let's go and finally do something. The first problem is that sometimes as we add a new item to the equipment we can see this white square. That's because Unity will just fill the whole area of the image with one color if we don't tell it which sprite we want there to be. In this game manager's update equipment canvas function, we replace a sprite of a given image with another from collected items list. But we never check if this new sprite is empty. So, to quickly fix this problem, we just need to add a new condition. We can copy that. Collected items.items.sprite is different than null, which means it's nothing. Now we need to find this change scene enumerator because there we set the equipment canvas active. We start with a inactive canvas because we don't want to see it in the main menu scene. But then we always set it to active, so in the last scene where it should be invisible we can see it, and that looks really bad. We don't want it to be in the first scene, which is scene 0, and we don't want it to be visible in the last scene, which is always the last element of our scenes array. So instead of true there, we can write a condition for Unity to let it know when we want it to be true. If the condition we gonna write is true, we will see the equipment bar. We want scene number to be bigger than 0. This condition will be false for the first scene with an index 0 and we won't see the equipment bar there. We also don't want to see it on the last scene, so let's add AND here and write that the scene number must be less than local scenes array.length, or of course -1. -1 because, for example, if we have 4 elements in our array, the length of it will be 4 and the last element will be 3. That way we don't show the equipment bar in the last scene. Alright, and that's everything for this video. I hope now everything works for you. The next episode will be a lot of fun because we will finally add sounds to this game. We will start with a soundtrack. Have a good day and see you soon.